You know, cutting plugs is a pretty fast process. With a few minutes and a drill press, you can have a row of plugs that are ready to pop out. Then you can go at them with a chisel or come over here to the bandsaw, which is what I like to do. That way you can control the depth of your plug. The problem is, as you're cutting them to release them, those plugs like to fall out and they cascade all over the floor, and then you're stuck picking them up. So Max Doyle of Hazleton, Iowa suggests covering it with a strip of painter's tape. That way, as you cut them, they stay in place. Then you can peel back the tape and your plugs are held securely in place.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. You can also click the bell to get notifications every time we post a video. Feel free to comment below and we'll get to as many as we can. Also, we're including links to the sources, plans, everything you need to know in the description below. Thanks.